All right, I'm back for a bonus video today. We are doing an unboxing of some holiday cards that I made on Canva, and we're gonna see what the quality is like. I've never ordered from them before. Stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Lori with Chrysalis Graphic Design. I help busy entrepreneurs create marketing material for their brand that looks great and doesn't take a ton of time. If that sounds good to you, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new content. Ring that bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. All right, I'm back for a bonus video. I'm super excited because today we're going to do an unboxing of the holiday cards that I created on Canva. Here's a link to that video if you've missed it. And these are the cards that I created for my family, and this is the first time I've ordered for them, so we're gonna see what the quality is like. So here on this channel, I talk about Canva quite a lot, and a couple weeks ago, I posted a video on how to make your holiday cards in Canva. And I gave you a few different printing options, including the fact that you can now order prints directly from Canva. So I thought I would practice what I preach, design my family's own holiday cards in Canva this year, and order some prints from them, so we could see what the quality was like, the turnaround times, all that kind of thing. So I'm gonna look up the actual times, because I don't have that with me right now, but we just got our box today, so we're going to do a little unboxing video. So we ordered the smaller size postcards, so this is the size box that it comes in. I of course have already slid it open. It did not arrive like this, but I wanted to be ready for the unboxing. So let's just go ahead and get started. So this is a really nice thick box, really sturdy. It came via FedEx, and that was not the very slowest, but like the medium level shipping. I think it was 3 to 7 business days, and I feel like it came faster than that, but I will double check and put it on the screen here. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. That is actually super cute. It just says enjoy right there, and then there's a little thank you card here. Let's see what that is. Thank you from Canva. Thanks for bringing your design to life. It has a little note about Canva, some information there, if that is focusing or not. There's a little Canva sticker, so there's a sample, glare on there. So there's a sample of one of their stickers, so if you want to see the quality of the stickers that they have. And then the rest of the box, of course, is our postcards inside. So let's see. And then there's a little packing material on the bottom, so it's all nice and safe. As I said, this is really super thick, sturdy box. My puppy is gonna love this because he loves chewing up cardboard. All right. So we actually ordered the envelopes with the postcards. I think if you check out my how to make a holiday card video, you can either make your postcards with that little area where you can put an address and a stamp, and then you can just mail them. But if you do that, you're going to want to be careful of what information you put on there. And we wanted to do a longer, more personal note. So we chose to get we chose to order with envelopes. So this is actually a whole little box here with a flap. So everything's all like together, nice and neat in there, the cards, and then both sets of envelopes. We got 50 cards, so I think there's probably 2 packs of 25 envelopes in there. So let's see, they're nice and tight in there. So yeah, the envelopes come packed together like that, and they're really nice linen. They're a little kind of off-white. My light is making them look super bright white, but they're just kind of an ivory color. And then the postcards actually come plastic sealed, which is nice, so they're not going to get dirty or anything. This is the front of ours. And then on the back, there's just all like the little printing information. So I'm going to pause the video here so I can take the plastic off and talk about paper quality. Okay, I'm back. So I have one of our cards out here, and we did get the thicker paper. There's 2 kind of qualities, not qualities, but thicknesses of paper that you can get. And if you are going to mail them on their own, I would definitely get this thicker paper, because this I would say is still a little bit on the thin side. It's probably like a standard postcard, but I definitely wouldn't mail anything thinner than this. But it feels definitely sturdy, and it's going to be totally fine within the envelope. I would say this feels like a regular greeting card. If you had 2 of these and you fold it in half, it feels like that kind of paperweight. Obviously this is our family's one, so I'm not going to turn it around and show you the back, but the photo quality looks really good. The text is all crisp and clear. You can see that just on the front there. And then yeah, everything looks good. We did a full bleed. As you can see, all colors are going to the edge. And as you're checking out in the printing process, there is a way they have you check that and make sure none of your text is getting cut off and things like that. So yeah, I'm very happy with these, and I'm really excited to get our holiday cards sent out. So thanks for joining me today for this quick little unboxing video. If you have any questions about the postcards, the quality, the shipping, pricing, any of that kind of stuff that I had in my experience or that I can look up for you, please leave me a message in the comments down below and give this video a like. It really is going to help my channel out a lot. Happy holidays. Thanks so much.